Hi everyone, my name is Shilpa and in this video I'll walk you through how to create a mood board as a part of UI UX process. We'll use a project, a 3D printing as an example. So let's dive in. Step 1. Define objective. Before collecting visuals, I define project objective. For this website, the goal were make it easy for customer to place and track 3D printing orders. Build trust and professionalism for businesses that depend on ERP workflow. Keep the interface simple and intuitive so users don't feel overwhelmed by the technical details. Step 2. Collect references. Look for inspiration from multiple sources, not just your own industry. Start by looking for competitor websites to understand the common patterns and where you can differentiate. Then explore platforms like Dribbble, Behance, and Pinterest to see a creative layout, color palettes, and interaction from other designers. Don't stop there, some of the best ideas come from outside the industry. For example, architecture can inspire a clean structural layout, fashion can spark bold color choices, and photography can give you idea about lighting and texture. The goal is to say visual that captures the feel or tone you want in your project. Later, this collection will become a building block for your mood board. Step 3. Pick colors and typography. Once I had the project goals and references ready, the next step was to define the color palette and typography. For a 3D printing website, I need a balance between trust, innovation, and usability. I chose a primary palette of tech-inspired blues and grays. This color creates a professional, reliable look that works well for business users. To make the interaction engaging, I had an accent color like orange and green. These are usually used for CTAs, like place order or track order, making them stand out clearly. For typography, I selected a modern sans serif font for heading, which feels bold and innovative, paired with a clean, readable font for body text. To support ERP dashboard and data-heavy content, by blending these styles, the platform presents a modern, forward-looking image for 3D printing, while maintaining a professional and user-friendly approach for ERP integration. Step 4. Decide visual styles. After settling the colors and typography, the next step was to define the visual style. This is where the mood board really starts to take shape. Since the platform has two purposes, helping customer place 3D printing orders and managing ERP processes, the visual style needs to balance innovations and clarity. For the 3D printing side, I included a futuristic 3D printing images and abstract shapes that give a sense of creativity and advanced technology. I also made a concise choice to use rounded edges and soft shadows for UI components. This prevents the interfaces from feeling too rigid and making the experience more approachable for user. Together, these elements create a style that feels modern, trustworthy, and user-friendly. Exactly what we want for a platform that connects design creativity with business process management. Step 5. Assemble mood board, bringing everything into one canvas. Figma, Adobe XD, or even a Canva. This creates a shared vision for a team. And that completes the mood board creation for a 3D printing website with ERP integration. A mood board isn't just a collection of color and images, it's the design compass that keeps the entire team aligned. With this foundation in place, the next step is move into a wireframe and high fidelity design.